Hello, this is Bracklesham Bay, and I am in Bracklesham Bay. Now, I hope this is waterproof. I don't know, but let's see. It has two.
Coming towards you under the water.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Guys, we just saw a selfish. Let's go to the boys. Let's go to the boys. Alright, so we're at the boys. Got the boys. Right here. And under the boys are tiny sea creatures. At least that's what I think. So let's see. I didn't see anything to do. Check out the other one. I don't know how to have it.
Belle wants the cat.
I don't know. So, well, my brother is too cold, so let's go towards him and do some of stuff on the store. So, so, yeah, let's do it, Daddy. I'll go top. Okay, guys, so, we're almost there. So, let's go. So yeah, we're going to get back to my brother to see what they're doing, do some other stuff. And, so, yeah. I'll see you when I get here. Okay, so we're here. We're back to our brother. So yeah. So where's he?
In under the tent.
So he's done. He's literally asleep.
Hello, I'm right there.
Hello, young lady. Okay, it's time to go crabbing. Right. How about here?
I just saw some fish.
Did you just see a fish? Oh, I see a crab already. Did you fish? You thought you saw a fish?
Yeah.
Wait, is that a crab? Oh no, those are just a barnacle. Can't see any. Oh wait, oh look, I see two crabs. I see some.
Where?
Look right there, they're very small. So tiny. Right, we've already spotted two. So apparently that was a fish here. Don't feel like it. Move on down that. Either way. Great. So. Okay, nothing. Oh, a fish. Yeah. Ooh, looks like we got a fish. Did you get him? Oh my gosh, look, there's a fish. You're right, look, he's right there. We got a fish. Let's go. That was an unexpected. Oh, he just jumped off. Well, we got a fish. Unexpected. Oh, a fish, look, guys, a fish. I just saw a fish. I saw a fish. Oh, oh, I just saw another fish. Oh, we got so many fish. Oh, I just saw a fish. There's so many fish here. Why are there so many fish? I found crabs, but I found fish. So that's what we called fishing. Don't know where the fish went though.
So probably this. See if they come around that way.
Oh yeah, that worked. Look there. Oh.
Oh, here's some guys. Look, here's some.
Oh, they're so small.
Watch, look. So if you come around this side.
Oh my gosh, wait, there's a crab.
Come around here. So.
Okay, let's see if we can catch a fish. Oh, we almost got one. Okay.
I've got a crab.
Oh, you got a crab. Is he big?
He is.
I got a fish.
Here he is.
Okay, I almost got a fish. We got a crab. Hello. This guy looks oddly familiar. There you go. Hey, how about we put our hands? Right, let's try and find some other fish. Go. Okay, guys. Did we get a fish? We got a fish. Yes, we got one. Let's go. Look, we got a fish. I think he's pretending to be dead, but look, we got one. We got it. Hello, sir. Can you move for me? Oh my gosh. Right. Okay, we got a fish. Release. My pretty. There you go. Okay. Alright, let's look on the other side. I think we've disturbed those fish enough. Anything? Is there a piece of clay? We got a piece of clay. Didn't see any crabs though. Don't know what we're gonna do with this, but I guess we could do this. There you go.
Dead one.
Oh, a dead one. Oh. Yeah. This
shell.
Yeah. Oh. A shell. Well, rest in peace to this guy. Not gonna make a grave for him. Rest in. There you go. Perfect. Rest in peace, crab. I need you. Yeah. I need you.
Here we go, the boost, shark boost, here then.
So I guess this is the end of the video. Guess this is the end. Guys, you want to say anything before we go? Want to say anything before we go?
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe.